Creeks.
Carroll, Catoosa, Chattooga, Cherokee, Clark, Clayton, Cobb, Coita, Dawson, DeKalb, Douglas, Emmanuel, Fannin, Fayette, Floyd, Forsyth, Gilmer, Glasscock, Gordon, Green, Gwinnett, Hall, Hancock, Harrelson, Hurd, Henry, Jackson, Jasper, Jefferson, Johnson, Jones, Limmer, Lumpkin, Madison, Meriwether, Monroe, Morgan.
For the following counties in Georgia: Baldwin, Banks, Durham, Bartow, Lex, Carroll, Catoosa, Chattooga, Cherokee, Clark, Clayton, Cobb, Coita, Dawson, DeKalb, Douglas,
White, Whitfield, Wilkes, and Wilkinson.
The Atlanta climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m. September 24. Meriwether, Monroe, Morgan, Murray, Newton, North Fulton, Oconee, Oglethorpe, Pauley, Pickens, Pike, Polk, Putnam, Rockdale, South Fulton, Spalding, Helmer, Towns, Troop, Union, Upson, Walker, Walton, Warren, Washington, White, Whitfield, Wilkes, and Wilkinson. Significant and damaging flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Helene to bring significant impacts to north and central Georgia through Friday's situation overview.